Hey guys, today I wanted to show you these filter balls that I received from AquaStrong. If you have a sand filter pump system, you can use this as a replacement to the pool sand. Filter balls offer several advantages over traditional sand in pool filters. Primarily, they are significantly lighter, making them much easier to handle during installation and filter maintenance. Additionally, filter balls can provide a finer filtration of 3 to 5 micron compared to a sand filter which can only filter between 20 and 40 micron. This means that it can capture smaller particles compared to sand filter, which will result in cleaner and clearer pool water. If you look closely, the ball is about 2 inches in size and it looks like cotton ball, but it is actually dense in the middle and it's basically holding all the materials together, so it's not gonna fall apart and clog your system. So if you're looking into upgrading into a sand filter but you're put off by the weight and the backwashing requirement of the sand filter, then you may want to consider something like this. According to the instruction, you don't really need to clean this for 90 days. I have only used a cartridge filter in my 5 years of owning an above ground pool, so this pool season will be my first time using this type of filter with a sand pump system. So once I put up my pool this summer, I will share with you my experience with this filter. So if you're an above ground pool owner, make sure to subscribe and check all the other pool maintenance video that I already have on my channel. And please like this video and leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.